Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to create VLOOKUP Bot in Excel, as we have basic Excel data. And we have employees ID column as well. And we only need to insert ID and it will automatically provide all data. To create VLOOKUP Bot, we need to go on Developer tab. Now, in the Developer tab, click on Macros function. Now, first we need to create macro name. We can create our own name, but we need to name it without space. So, I name the macro function as employeeDataBot. Now, we need to write here VBA code. So, we simply go on our code and copy the whole code. But we will copy from the second line as first is the name of code. After copying, we simply need to paste it. We have also given code in the description section. In the code, first make sure same sheet name mentioned here. As we have same sheet name, or you can change name in the code. Second, we also make sure that correct cell reference is given as well. As employee ID starts from a 2-cell reference. After assuring, we will close the code window. Now, we need to create macro button to trigger function. But first we make sure that macro is created. Now, we need to go on Developer tab and click on Insert option. Now, place macro button in order to use it. After placing it, automatically macro box appears. We simply need to select our created macro. We can also rename it by using Edit option. Now, type here your desired self-explanatory name. Once it will complete, we only need to click on it for VLOOKUP. Now, place it on a presentable manner. Now, click on button to test VLOOKUP function. Now, we only need to insert employee ID. It will give us the whole data. Now, again test our VLOOKUP bot. Again, only need to insert ID. Again, we can match our data with this. Now, if we insert employee ID which is not available. As you can see, it is not available in list. It gives us error due to no data.